Okay. Everybody recognize the Subaru engine? Guess what you're in for? A Subaru! Look at that, what a bargain. This is a 2015 Subaru Outback in that olive green color. This one has a tan leather interior, sunroof, touchscreen radio, and 60,000 miles on it basically, 59 and change, as you can see there. It's automatic. It has the crash avoidance from Subaru and the lane keep system from Subaru, so it's pretty well equipped technological wise. Power hatch, PZEV engine, whatever that means, and it is all-wheel drive. And taking a look at just the interior again, you can see the kind of condition it's in. Interior, I would say, is perfect, or an A, maybe even an A+. I would say the exterior is probably a B+ to an A-. There's a little scratch here, there's a ding there, there's a ding there, just a little thing like that, but no dents, nothing broken or out of place really. Nice rig. Come check it out at Snowy Mountain Motors if you just have to have a Subaru Outback.